Tesla Insurance Review 2025. Is it worth it? You won't believe how much Tesla has shaken up the insurance industry in 2025. Tesla Insurance promises lower rates for Tesla owners and coverage designed specifically for their vehicles, but is it really worth it? The surprising truth is savings. Most people get this wrong by thinking Tesla insurance is just like any other auto policy. Tesla claims the rates can be up to 20-30% lower than competitors because the policies integrate real-time driving data and advanced safety features into pricing. Tesla Insurance covers liability, collision, comprehensive, and offers additional perks like new vehicle replacement and coverage for autopilot-related accidents. Premiums are calculated based on your driving habits through the Tesla app, making it more personalized than traditional insurance. One major advantage is convenience. You can manage your policy directly from the Tesla app, file claims digitally, and even get roadside assistance. Claims processing is reportedly faster because Tesla uses in-house adjusters and repair centers. However, there are cons. Availability is currently limited to select states, so not all Tesla owners can sign up. Rates can fluctuate based on driving behavior, which may be a downside for aggressive drivers. Some users also report higher deductibles compared to conventional insurers. In conclusion, Tesla Insurance in 2025 is ideal for owners looking for personalized coverage and potential cost savings. If you drive responsibly and want a seamless, Tesla integrated insurance experience, it can be a smart choice. But if you live in an unsupported state or prefer traditional insurers with broader networks, it may not be the best option. For Tesla enthusiasts, though, it's worth checking out for convenience and potential savings.